name's Neasa Tang. I work as a software engineer for Guidewire. Development is a key part of my job. I work in both front-end and back-end development, primarily in Java and React. We have stand-ups every morning where everyone on the team will give an update on what they're doing, what they will be doing, and if they're stuck in a problem, people can try to help out. We also do code reviews. Every 2 weeks, we have a product demo to those involved in the project, and we also aim to have a release every month. Solving is definitely a key skill that you need to have. There is no way you can do this job without having good problem solving skills. If you don't want to try and solve a challenge, if you don't enjoy trying to do puzzles, essentially, you're not going to enjoy it. There's kind of a reason why, I guess, maths is usually a minimum requirement for computer science or any sort of tech-related course. Another key skill I think you need to have would be communication, but I don't think it just applies to my role specifically. It kind of applies to any sort of job out there. You're working in a team, you want to be able to talk to each other and communicate with each other well. If you're stuck on something, you shouldn't be scared to ask for help. What I love most about my job is essentially the ability to create something out of nothing. I love being able to visualize the product that I'm helping to build. It really gives me a good sense of accomplishment, especially say if I'm working on a problem and I spent ages trying to fix it and solve the issue. Once I find a solution, it's just really rewarding. I was in my final year in Trinity, and I was applying to jobs at the time, and my friend brought up Guidewire, and I was like, sure, why not apply to it? So I did a lot of interview prep, which involved practicing coding questions on sites like HackerRank and LeetCode, and also going through the Cracking the Coding interview book. And once I thought I was ready, I applied and just went through the whole interview process. And they'll ask you some theory questions, and then also they'll just give you more programming questions that you have to solve. And then usually it ends off with being an on-site interview that's usually around 3 hours long, has like a cultural aspect, and obviously like a technical aspect again. I think having a basic knowledge of coding is super important because that's all we do essentially. All we do is program. So if you don't understand the fundamentals, you're going to really struggle. It doesn't even matter what language it's in. Once you know the fundamentals of any language, you can apply it to other stuff as well.